Welcome to DB CyberTech. I'm Sean, and in this video we will focus on the product specs around DB CyberTech's visibility product. Let's get started. First, let's log in. For this video, I will be using training. Visibility is the base function of the DBC platform. Visibility, also known as discovery, is how the DBC platform finds all databases within your network, and how the platform is able to function properly. There must be a clear connection between the different servers within your network. Under the visibility dropdown, we first will look at database services. Under database services, the system displays all of the services or databases identified within your network. Service names, which you can see on the farthest left column, are case sensitive, and one entry is included for each individual IP and port combination found. The default columns include service name, platform, service IP, service port, client count, unique SQL, SQL activity, RPC activity, total activity, and service first seen. You could sort on any column simply by clicking the header. You can filter for specific server names, platform, service IP, and service ports. In the top left corner, the date range relates to the service activity displayed in the table, which can be modified. In the top right corner is a button that allows you to export the findings to a CSV file. The next dropdown, Database Clients, shows all of the clients interacting with the various database services in your network. This screen includes the same columns as database services, but includes the individual client IPs and activity for each of those clients. Next is interconnections. The interconnections page provides a visual display of client-server connections identified by the system. There is a small arrow on the left side of the screen that opens the legend and filter options for the interconnection. Each subconnection within the interconnection is segmented based on the IP subnets. Now, how do you see all the connections within the interconnection? You simply click on it. By selecting a segment, you can view that portion of the connection. You can also hover over a segment to see additional details about that connection. In this activity view, you can, as we call it, drill down to see the various levels of the interconnection. You can see all the details about the session and even the statement itself. You can navigate between the various subconnections by using the breadcrumb trail or tree level bar to the various portions of the interconnection. You can also jump straight back to the top level as well. You can filter views using the legend on the left side. Under the dropdown, you can filter views by date range, service name, service IP, client IP, metric, and scale. Next is Discovery Analytics. The Discovery Analytics report is a report that encompasses everything that is identified by the DBC platform. You can generate the report to the screen or in PDF format. Depending on how big your network is and all the data encompassing it, this can take some time to process. The Sample Discovery Analytics report is essentially a summary of all data discovered by the DBC platform. Clicking on any of the icons on the left side will take you directly to that part of the report. Next under Visibility is SQL Statements. The SQL Statements tab allows you to look at all SQL statements captured by the system. All statements can be expanded for further details. This concludes the DB CyberTech Visibility Product Training tutorial. If you have any questions or need further help, please contact DB CyberTech technical support at their email, support@dbcybertech.com, or by calling 1-800-375-0592. Again, that's support@dbcybertech.com or 1-800-375-0592. I'm Sean from DB CyberTech. We'll see you soon.